What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Got some more good content for you. Some BMW content. If you watched the other episode, you might have seen some boxes. This is one of those boxes. I got some goodies inside. So something that most people can agree on about the 135i is it's not the most aggressive styling on the outside. But fortunately, there's a lot of parts that you can get for it. And one of them is right here. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Ready? Ooh, yeah. Look at that. That's right. We got a wing. This is a JBSPEED M4 style wing. Body paint matched, not carbon fiber. I decided to not go with carbon fiber. I've seen a lot of people do it, and I feel like it's too common. So I decided to do something different, and I think this makes it look a little more OEM, a little more clean, but still adding that nice aggressive look. And it goes good with the body lines. So, what do you think? You like it? Not like it? Let me know down below. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this thing started. I already inspected it. Everything looks to be in great shape. No imperfections that I've seen. So, let's go ahead and get the 3M tape on. All right, we got the thing unboxed. I put down some towel just to protect it from scraping, and gonna get started applying some of the double-sided tape. Let's do it. Now we just got to do the top side. It's kind of tedious, but it's important to do it right. So when installing something with double-sided tape, to make your life way easier, try to use as minimal strips as possible, but then also get yourself a head start by peeling back the ends just enough to get it started so that it would peek out the side, and when you put the spoiler on, you'll be able to fine-tune the position, but then be able to also remove the tape once you're happy with where it is, and it'll be a lot easier. And if you have, the more pieces of tape you have, the more difficult it is to remove. I'm going to do the other side. You can see how difficult it is right now. Imagine it on the car already. There we go. There we go. Perfect. That's all we really need. Nothing really more than that. it mocked up. Looks pretty centered. Quality looks pretty good. Fitment's pretty good. Body line at the edge here doesn't quite match the trunk line. That's okay though. What do you guys think? Let's go ahead and send it.
Well, there it is, folks. I don't know what you think, but I like the way this looks. The car should have come from the factory like this. It just really flows with the body lines. The original lines look like the designer just stopped drawing at the end of the car. So this is something that the 1 Series always needed. The spoiler that you can get from the factory, I wouldn't even call it a spoiler. I'd call it a caterpillar. I'm really satisfied with the quality of this wing. I would recommend JBSPEED in the future. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. Smash that like button. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.